Sleep through the day, fight through the night, as my tears rain down. I was alone, so damn afraid, asking for someone to feel my rage. So many questions, so many fears, like living without you for the rest of my years. So many questions, not enough time, stuck contemplating the meaning of life. But then a hero comes around, his life was crashing down. Can you heal my soul? If you can, I need it so. Surrounded by faith and light, when the darkness comes, all I know is you saved my life when others were on the run. Fell to the floor when the phone rang, and I prayed to God it was you. I was so numb, crippled by news, can't remember the last time I spoke to you. There's a candle in the window as people gather round. There's a candle in the window, and tears the only sound. Then a hero comes around, his life was crashing down.